There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's Kraitos Insider Call. My name is Dominik and I will guide you through today's call. Today we have a really interesting call in front of us because for some of you it's the first time that you experience a little bit bigger drawdown with Kraitos. So I will show you what I'm doing, I will show you what you can do if you want to do, and I will show you why me personally I like the decision units and also the minimum required distance between trades in pips, why I like it a little bit higher than it is in the default settings. So let's jump in to the share screen and let's get it started. So first of all, on my account, as you see, on my account, the GBP CAT trade was actually already closed. You can see here GBP CAT, GBP CAT, GBP CAT. Okay, so this was closed. On the other, some of you are still inside the trades. We can see here Matt's account, and right now we are in 6% drawdown. Nothing major, nothing to worry about. But what I like to do, I will show you right now. But before, let's go to trading view so you will understand how all this works together. So as you can see, Matt, it's running, if I'm not mistaken, decision units 27, and also the minimum required trade between trades pips, it's also 27. So as we can see here, this was our first trade. I already put them in, first trade. That's Matt's first trade, and you can see it went here 112 pips before it opened up a new trade. Why it opened up here a new trade? It's really simple, because it was a fake break of structure, and you can see here on the 30-minute. So then we had here a break of structure. Kraitos opened up a trade, bam, but then it reversed up to the other side. So what happened then? Then we have here the next one. We have the next trade here, okay? And you can see right now here, if we go from here to here, it's 35 pips. And as you see, it opened up another trade because here the minimum required distance between trades, it's 27. So now we have not a problem, but what we have a bigger lot size. So what can put us into a bigger drawdown, because me personally, I'm always thinking about what can be the worst situation that market does. And you can see GBP CAT, it's on a big run, like since here, and moved already for 300 pips. Okay, so once one pair moves like so much, it's like it's just gonna reverse it like even harder, and then we're gonna have a big reversal. So, but what I want to show you actually, how I like it, if you want to be like a conservative type of a person, what I would do personally, what I'm doing personally, my decision unit, I like it on 30 or at 40. Okay, so 30 is for somebody that is, let's say, moderate, like a moderate trader. Okay, the decision unit 30 it's for somebody that likes the moderate type of trading. 40, it's for somebody that is conservative. And then we also have a decision unit of 20, and this is for somebody that's aggressive. So 20 for somebody that's aggressive, 30 for somebody that's conservative, moderate, and 40 for somebody that's conservative. And then the next thing, what we have minimum required distance between trades. Okay, so here it's my opinion. 27 for me it's way too small. Like for me it's too small. I don't like it. Why? Because it's too tight together. So the next number, what I like here for the minimum distance between trades, I like it 40. This is for somebody that it's like, let's say, moderate to conservative. So let's say this is moderate. Then we have somebody that is conservative. Okay, let's say 50. And here is then super conservative. It's like it's 60. Okay, so how does this come now in play altogether? So let's say here that we would have moderate approach. Okay, and our actually would be our so we would have circle. We would go with decision units 30. Okay, 30, and we would say moderate. Okay, moderate. We will go here moderate. So how would this play out? So for this example, we have here price range from up to up here. Okay, then from up here, we will have 113 pips. So in the 113 pips, if we have decision units set to 30, 113 pips divided by 30 is 3.7. So it would get the okay, so we would have in the fourth decision unit there was a reversal, and decision unit would do reversal, so we have to be now the lot size 0.01 multiplied with 1.3 is done. So we would have here the next trade here would be 0.02 if we started here with 0.01. Let's look in Matt's example. He has first trade 0.21. Okay. Example, he has 0.21 here the trade. So if we would go moderate, if you would have like these settings, what would happen here? What would be his lot size? So you understand how this goes. His lot size would be 0.21 multiplied with 0.3 is bump. His lot size would be here at 0.5. Okay, 0.5. The second trade was 0.60, so the lot size would be smaller. Why? Because of the decision units. Then here, if we go see, if he would have decision units 30 and moderate 40 trades between pips, here it wouldn't open up a trade. Why? Because as you can see, it's not with this trade minimum distance between trades wasn't here, so the trade wouldn't get triggered. So right now wouldn't have the third trade open, but it would wait for the next reversal. So this is like how it's important. But now you are already in trades, people that are already in trades, what you can actually do, I'll open up now my account here so you can see. So what you guys can now do, you can go here, right click, properties, and now decision units if you're in trades. My suggestion would be that you go a little bit higher, that you put here 40 and you put here 60. Okay, if you have only one pair open and you don't want like more trades to open, if you don't like higher, how would you say, higher drawdown, you can even put it here to 1. Okay, you can put it to 1 or leave it at 2. The next thing what I will do here, I will go here and take profit scaling trades. I would put it to 2 so it can get me out as soon as possible. Okay, so I close trades out as soon as possible, just with a little profit, even with a little bit of a negative minus, and then I'm out and I would change it back to everything normal. So this is what I would do. I would put decision units to 40 and minimum required distance between trades 60 and then wait that the GBP cat plays out. So this is what I would do personally if I would be in GBP CAD trades. So if you can see here, I had actually had like a really good trading week. I did 1.82% on my account, and this month I'm up 4.48%. My goal is like to hit 6% here. We had like a lot of winning trades, and yeah, then we have here my bigger account. As you can see, here was like an amazing week, 1.58%, $1,300. We are up 3.14% for the week. And we had like, as you can see here, this is like this week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trades, one after another, like just win after win after win. So Kratos, it's amazing. The only thing what we have to be prepared, it's like sometimes it's gonna go into drawdown. You can see here, I got out with a little bit of a profit, and yeah, this is like what we have to be prepared for. So you have to know like how to navigate this market. And in my opinion, like what you guys should do, like in like also down the road when we get out of the GBP cat, I would put minimum distance between pips. I would always keep it at 40 and decision in units in 30 or even 35 or 40. This is like what I like. I see that it's working really nice. I will show you also here some of my FX books that we have where I'm running more pairs. Here it's like 14 pairs at the same time. It open, okay. It opened here. So this week we had like 2%. We are up 12% this month. Right now we are in a little bit of a bigger drawdown. Of course, we are running 14 pairs at the same time, so the drawdown is 10%. And you can see the most drawdown is from USD CAT and also GBP CAT. GBP CAT, you can see it's like 5% in drawdown, even like 6% in drawdown. I'm also running here more aggressive account, 10 pairs. At the same time, I'm going for a bigger take profit here. We are up 1.45%, 9% for this week, but you can see we are in 7% drawdown. Also, this is a testing account. And here are also different testing accounts that you guys can see: conservative, moderate, aggressive, and all in. So I'm going to show you the results here. Keep in mind, I'm running on all these 4 accounts 0.01 per 1,500. So this is conservative account 0.48%. Here I'm running decision units 40 and minimum required distance between trades also 40. And you can see here GBP CAT 0.1, 0.2, 0.2. And we are in 2.35% drawdown. So this is why it's important to have bigger decision units. Then here we have moderate settings. I'm even running this account on 1.30 leverage to see how it works. And you can see we closed out here on GBP CAT. Also, we are closed out. Now we have one open trade, GBP CAT, but yeah, this is moderate. Then we have here like an aggressive account. Here we are up 1.38% for the week, and right now we are sitting at 1.20% drawdown. Also here, GBP CAT got closed out. GBP CAT, we had 1, 2, 3 trades open, and then we have an account that like running 8 pairs, really aggressive settings. We are up 0.37% and 2% for this month, and right now we are sitting at 1%. 2% drawdown. So we will see how these accounts will continue, and I will also send you all the settings, all the screenshots. I have to like put it together, the documents. You can see like the difference between the settings. You get a better feel for Kratos. So thank you everybody for listening to the call that are live on this call. Thank you everybody that was also that is watching the recording. If you have any questions, guys, just message in Discord. Please don't message me privately because I cannot answer your questions privately. So please do everything in Discord, and I will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. But definitely, we will be monitoring the GBP cat rate to see what is going to happen. But I think Kratos is going to do it really nice. We are sitting now at 6% drawdown, nothing major, but I know it's scary once because we are used to low drawdown with Kratos, but we will see how it plays out. Thank you, everybody, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.